Good morning. We are in Grand Teton National Park and getting ready to do a hike. We're going to do String Lake here. Chris is going to run, I'm going to hike. We did Delta Lake yesterday. That was a longer hike. This one will be a little easier, way less elevation gain, more like 400 feet instead of 2,300. So kind of a rest day hike, but with some sweet views. So stay tuned. String Lake, this area is an area where you can spot moose. We'll see. Apparently you can get bears too. I'd rather have moose personally, but yeah, we'll see if we can spot some wildlife today. Okay, so you turn right if you want to continue on to Lee Lake, or if you want to just do the String Lake loop, you continue on this way like I am. So that's it, I'm all done with String Lake. Basically it's a loop, you go around the lake. So half the hike you're right along the lake. And so the views are intense of the Tetons and the lake, but you're seeing it from all these different angles. And then on the backside, you go up high above the lake and you get all these really nice views up there too. So this is a really great hike, especially if you're not looking for something difficult. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks again for National Parks. And yeah, if you could throw the video a like or subscribe to Lady Dirtbag, that would be fabulous. And have a great day. Go hiking.